Working with Andium, we are already digitizing the oil field. Our trial in L48's Midcon business unit has already brought numerous insights and advantages. With Andium, we have created a new RTU for well site computing and telemetry, our Edge device. The old RTUs were manufactured by a few providers, whose sole strategy was to create captive markets and thereby hold producers hostage. Our Edge device leverages modern processors and wireless technology to enjoy significant improvements in flexibility and ease of programming. Operators and optimizers can program well site functionalities from the office, their truck, or even on their smartphone. Wireless communication from sensors or nodes to edge increases the amount and variety of devices around the well that can transmit data that improves reliability and functionality in the event of a lightning strike, as each device on location is isolated. LTE connection offers real-time data submission when required, and batch data at cheap transmission windows, when timeliness of data is less important. It also removes the daisy chain of radio towers and repeaters that were prone to failure. Security is significantly enhanced using NIST 2030 standards that meet the requirement of government agencies and financial institutions, even central banks. All with a production cost a small fraction of the going retail prices of the incumbents. We identified a need for improved connectivity in very remote areas and came up with a challenge for Andium to solve this. They sourced routers, which we mounted in trucks to grab and amplify LTE signals in traditional dead zones. The routers have effectively turned operators' trucks into mobile offices, providing incredible enhancements in efficiency and productivity. Morning meetings can now be held in the field, with each operator video conferencing in from his or her truck. Systems run much faster and easier from a laptop in the truck versus a mobile phone. SIM cards from multiple providers can be installed to ensure service in all areas. In fact, this could become a compelling alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar field offices. Andium has helped us discover that often a much cheaper, more capable sensor can do the job of what the industry views as standard equipment. Andium proposed an alternative acoustic sensor. Guided wave radars used to have issues with oil buildup, requiring removal and cleaning, not to mention needlessly shutting in wells if a false reading resulted in a high tank alarm. The acoustic sensor solves this and is also capable of transmitting data to the edge wirelessly, all at about 1/3 of the cost of the old guided wave radar. We have also worked with Andium to be able to more actively monitor third-party equipment on our locations. Oftentimes, we rent compressors, generators, pump jacks as required, and historically, data around their performance has been pretty much a black box. Third parties would only provide data upon our request. Through a simple sensor on Andium's platform, we are now able to monitor all third-party devices in real time. This allows not only for more robust data on uptimes and savings on usage costs, we can now move toward employing predictive maintenance and stopping problems before they start. This also highlights the flexibility of the Andium platform, as the monitoring device, a magnetometer, can be connected wirelessly to an edge or piped into a traditional RTU through direct output. All of these improvements are displayed through a drastically improved user interface. Personnel are no longer required to click through hundreds of locations to manually search for issues or outliers, and have the ability to incorporate other data feeds and run trend analysis with numerous inputs, like weather versus tank levels, pressure versus production, production versus compressor uptime, and etc. Through the adoption of the Andium platform and smart technologies, BP will maximize value across asset fields and become the technological leader in oil and gas. This is only the tip of the iceberg. In addition to what we've already found in L48, applications for Andium technology are readily apparent across the value chain in the rest of upstream, midstream, and downstream. Wind and emissions are other potential targets. With Andium, we have a unique opportunity to be the industry standard, the potential of which is staggering.